Some drivers must have been gifted a driver's license from the way they drive. In today's video, you'll see shocking idiots behind the wheel, where one small mistake leads to huge consequences like a car crash and more. Sit back and enjoy. Dashcam driver did not care at all and continued with his journey.
I'm gonna call it on. Don't get out.
Speeding vehicle had so much time to slow down. Idiot driver tries to cut in and this happens. Reckless driver, possibly intoxicated, watch as they drive like a maniac and then proceed to cause a crash with multiple vehicles. He either hasn't noticed or just doesn't care.
Get next to her.
Tesla versus Tesla. Let's see who wins. Aftermath of a horrible crash. Idiot driver swerves last second, leaving barely any time to react for the drivers behind.
Whoa! Are you kidding?
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.
Holy fuck!
Get ready for a rear end by a driver paying absolutely no mind to the road ahead. There's road rage, and then there's this. Reversing while not even attempting to look what's behind is evil work. In these conditions too, where it's easier to lose traction and cause a crash, you have to be more aware.
1,000 on my feet, stacks spread on my seat. 10,000.
What the hell?
I hope missing a turn is never worth destroying your car, as this guy was not missing his turn no matter what.
Oh my god. Oh! What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh! Baby. Oh, they were chasing him. Oh, they were chasing him, that's why.
That is crazy.
It's like they both bought the same car.
This person's quick thinking possibly saves a life in the last second.
Get the fuck out.
Oh, this is gonna be bad, man. This is gonna be bad. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hey, I see the KDP. Gotcha.
They saved that thing.
It's rare that you see a car reversing horizontally on the freeway, but you will in this video. Waiting an extra 10 seconds was a bit too long for this driver.